All set, ready to race, and the race is on. Chase Charlie. Fast to begin, Amanda. Golden Fortune, down on the inside, Senior Bond, and gold-plated Key. Amanda is now the leader, followed by Chase Charlie. Senior Bond racing third by Darrell, and racing in fourth is Golden Fortune, gold-plated Key, and My Chemical Romance. Amanda by Sam 2 lengths, followed by Chase Charlie. Senior Bond is running in third by Darrell. Passing the half-mile post, Amanda by Sam 2 lengths, followed by Chase Charlie. Senior Bond remains in third, rushing up gold-plated Key and Golden Fortune. Inside the last 500, Amanda is still leading by a length and a half. Chase Charlie, Senior Bond also rushing up as they race the final corner. Amanda, Senior Bond, Chase Charlie, gold-plated Key, entering the last 200 meters more to run. Amanda still hanging to that half-length lead. Senior Bond is on the outside, but still Amanda, this time by some 2 lengths now. And Senior Bond by Darrell. Amanda, Senior Bond, Amanda, and finally Amanda. Senior Bond, Chase Charlie, Solar Power, Gold-Plated Key, Golden Fortune, My Chemical Romance, and Nato Princess comes last.